Ba-ba-da-bum, ba-bum, ba-ba-da-bum, bum, ba-bum. Slimy, slime. Hello, guys, it's me, Lina You, and today, woohoo! Look, we have to make slime. So I have the instructions. Let's look for some more stuff. Oh, we got a dog. We have some stickers. It fell. So we have some stickers. So we have so slime. DIY. 아니, 100% original. That's my grandma. She just.
야, 빨리 이제 올라가서 야, 리나야, 올라가서
열고 있어.
빨리 열어.
네.
조용히.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that, but So this stuff's cute. It's like a unicorn puppy. And unicorn puppy. So Soul Slime DIY. So we have Soul Slime DIY 100% original and made by me. The powder, I think we need water, of course. Let's get on started. So first, these are like choices. I think that's this. Combine the slime powder pack. Combine this. Wow. Yeah. Combine the This is how they make slime. So hard. Yeah. Uh-oh, I'm making a mess. Just pour it in. I'm making a mess at the bottom. Ah! It's like kinetic sand, by the way. It looks like kinetic sand. Let's see if it actually is kind of like kinetic sand. Not really. Well, let's clean it up. It feels like kinetic sand, but it's not exactly kinetic sand. The scissor almost fell on my feet. Almost, I guess. It is sure making a very big mess. Did you see that? Do you see that? Whatever. And then glitter and okay. Put the glitter in. 다 열어야 되는데. Close in. My grandma keep interrupting you guys. Sorry about that. About my grandma. I bet you guys are gonna say it's okay. But maybe not. Because I'm very bad at it. So am I? You say yes. But secretly no. So that's slime is my friend on doing it on the side. And let's close it. Ooh. Goodness. Uh-oh. Look what happened. Did you see, guys? Look how much. So I'll concentrate with that. Oh my goodness. How did I do that? It's okay. I could clean it up. And put it in the laundry. Just joking. I'm so bad at making slime. Am I? Huh? hand. I'm gonna do something. Red.
누나 준비 다 했어? 좀 이따 가면 되겠다. 지금 졸업하는데 지금 어디 갔다 왔어 리나?
Guys, I'll shake it and then put water.
Nina.
So, next show. Bye.